Hello, my name is Vladimir Putin and I am from Russia. I would like to be the president of Russia. As of now, I am only the prime minister of Russia.
Hello, my name is Barack Obama, and I am the President of the United States of America. In the United States we have an election based on what is called the Electoral College. The Electoral College designates a certain amount of votes to certain states. For example, California has 55 and Florida has 27. Together they have 82 votes in only 2 states. I got the victory in California and Florida because they are very liberal states. McCain won the states of Oklahoma, which has 7 electoral college votes, Kansas which has 6 electoral college votes, Nebraska which has 4 electoral votes, North Dakota which has 3, South Dakota which has 3. That is 23 electoral votes in 5 states combined. But since those 5 states do not have anywhere near the electoral votes that California and Florida have, does not matter. I would still win. This is how George Bush defeated Prince Al Gore. The prince won in terms of popularity, but because of the Electoral College George Bush won.
What do you think about intercontinental ballistic missiles?
I think the amount of them needs to be reduced. The current president of Russia, which is Dmitry Medvedev, has agreed to reduce them. As the future president of Russia, will you agree to reduce the amount?
In Russian, da means yes. When you hear a Russian say the word babushka, it means bot.
I am not sure why you told me babushka means but. Believe it or not, I actually already knew that da means yes in Russian. I also wonder what you were actually thinking when you said yes, but, nonetheless, I accept your offer.
Obama, can you tell me more about you? I will start off by telling you more about me. I am one tough guy. I like to hunt cyber tigers and malicious polar bears. I have entered many karate tournaments and won. I have led a great white shark in the territory that belongs to Russia, which is Alaska. When are you going to give us back Alaska?
Well, you will need to ask Sarah about Alaska because she knows more about Alaska. I would like to tell you more about myself. I like to ride bikes that look like they were made in the 1970s and look like a woman when doing so. I like to eat ice cream cones at Baskin-Robbins and look like a woman when doing so. I like to go swimming in the ocean and fan out my arms like what a woman synchronized swimmer does. Finally, I also like to be the guest on pansy talk shows like The View.
Oh, you are screwed.